Okay, so guys, sorry for the network issues. I think so guys, I'm actually sorry for the network issues, and I was talking before, but I think I'll have to repeat this because I don't know why. Most of you know that don't really get some of the reasons to why there are some circles drawn in my in my chart. Okay, so guys, first, we talked about the reasons to why we saw gold rising today. There was a news that came out, I think at around like 4 p.m. Kenyan time. I can't really remember the time, the actual time, but that was one of the things that really affected the market. We know that there are like different ways that someone can analyze the charts: the fundamental, the technical analysis, and the sentimental analysis. But so far so good. One thing that I've come to notice about this market is that when it comes to analyzing the charts, if you analyze the charts correctly, you will, like, technically if you analyze the charts correctly, then your charts might play along with the fundamental analysis perfectly without actually incurring any losses. Or yeah, so guys, today I'm not trading on a 1 hours or I'm not trading on a 1 day's time frame, because of, like, I captured something in 1 hour's time frame that is really impressive for me. So yeah, so guys, sorry if you missed the reasons to why what happened, like gold wars or what happened in the market today. Like, I have a live stream about that, just ended a few seconds ago due to network issues. But then yeah, right now let's talk about this. I think that if you've been trading gold for quite some time now, then you know that there are some of the patterns that always keep repeating themselves over and over. And that's why this one over here, this chart over here, is one of the most impressive things that I have seen today. So guys, we can see this structure over here. Let me try and I just need something so thick. This structure over here, I don't know if I'll be able to make it a little bit thicker. Not really. No. Yeah, this one. Okay, so guys, okay, I'll just start. So I was saying that there are some of the patterns, if you've been trading for quite some time, that always keep on repeating themselves. And at times, as a trader, you can pay attention to the patterns in the market and do what actually happened previously before actually sorry guys, before actually deciding on what to do. Or if you're having like a hard time analyzing charts, then most probably you can always try and check the patterns with the trading forex. You'll always find some patterns that will always keep on repeating themselves, like this pattern over here in 1 hour's time frame. this one over here, and this one over here. Guys, if you look at these patterns, you'll notice that there is some sort of movement that was close to being the same, and this happened to this level over here, and then it went up and then dropped down, and we saw the same happening here, and this one going up, coming down and down, and this one also going up. So this leaves us with a question like, what should we expect in gold, like in a few days? One thing I know about gold right now, like generally in a larger time frame, gold is bearish, but today we saw like most buyers coming into the market and taking buy positions. So the question is like, is there any chance that gold will keep on rising or gold will drop? Okay, so the answer to this question is pretty much simple. For like the past few days, we've noticed like most people are not, like the market has not been so straightforward with what is actually happening. So yeah, but one thing I know is that if the market at this stage over here decides to copy this direction or this pattern over here, then trust me guys, I'll be looking forward for buys to around this zone over here, around 1677 or 1681. Once that happens, we'll see either breakout going upward or a drop down, like a drop or maybe a sell coming down to this level over here. Guys, last time if you had joined our live stream, then you know that we had talked about this zone over here being one of our supports, and we saw like a gold playing around this zone not only once but actually twice. So this is one of the zones that is pretty much interesting at the moment, and I can't wait to see what's going to happen. If the market decides to play or maybe to copy this strategy over here, then I'll be expecting for a few buys, not actually all, but a few buys from this zone over here to around this zone before actually applying before actually dropping down to this level over here. So guys, there are two things right now. If I were trading gold, I'll be patient with no rush, because actually one thing I noticed today, most people are taking good positions in the market, but then the market will come down to the level and like will come down and they will get stopped in the market before actually the market moving towards their actual direction. So guys, I think this is just my overview of what is happening. Overall, gold is bearish, but in small time frames you can see like gold is likely to be bullish or maybe to go bullish soon or sooner. So what I'm going to do today is just I'll be checking the chart, see if we are going to play along to around these zones. If that happens, then we'll be looking for some zones over here where we'll be able to take either sells or buys, depending on how strong the market is or what will happen around this zone over here. So guys, that's it for today. I hope that this video actually helped you. So keep subscribing, watch this video, share it with your friends, and yeah, until next time guys.